All right, we're back. We have another restoration project. If you've ever bought a car online from one of the online bidding places, you don't know exactly what you're getting until it's in your driveway. And this is a perfect example of the pictures made it look really nice, but the seller had omitted some pictures of obvious damages that we're going to highlight in this video, and also the services that we can perform here at Eastside to correct some of these. We're going to start with this probably 10-year-old clear bra. This car's an 07. The bra is probably at least that old. You can see there's some crazy gaps. You know, this is probably really old 3M film. So the last one of these we did, all the paint came off with it. So we're hoping we don't experience that again. A lot of these are hand painted, so we're gonna see how it goes. But this film is all cracked, you know, separation, lots of lifting, and it's done its job. But we hope we can get it off without causing any more damage and replace it. The other thing we're gonna do is a set of BC forged wheels. They're in production now. These aren't bad, but you got a lot of curb rash. The tires aren't great, you know, it's just kind of dirty and dingy. The calipers seem to be in good shape, but we're going to go through and check all the brakes, see if we can have everything turned, new pads, and go there and kind of clean all that up, work on some of this gum and tar and everything that's slung down the side of this from being daily driven for 4 years.